Hi guys, just two of these left to do now, number 19 and number 20. By the Lagoon Group, BEANO Vintage Collection. Cost me £1.75, 60 sheets of paper inside and 20 designs. We've done 18 of them, so we're on number 19 now. Number 19. Fold the corners in, fold it over, fold the corners in again, fold the pointy bit backwards, fold the corners again, half corners again, and again. Okay, right, that's number 19, so let's put number 20 to one side. Have a look at the cartoon. Probably totally politically incorrect nowadays. Bullying and teasing. Never mind. Right. Okay, fold the corners in. It may well start raining. We've had heavy rain out there today. Very heavy rain. I think I heard some thunder just now. But at the moment, there's blue sky out there. Okay, that was the first bit, and fold this over this way. Fold the corners in again. Fold them in, but then unfold them. Hold the triangle up. Okay. Hold the top corners to meet those creases. Like that. And then fold like that. That's built up quite a bit of weight at the front there, good bit of nose weight. Fold the plane in half that way. And fold right the way down there. And fold on that bit up there. Come on. That's it. Done. Let's see if we can hit the camera. Well, number 19 works absolutely fine. I did stiffen it up with some super glue along the front here, and that made quite a difference. Before that it was a bit loose and floppy, but a bit of super glue along there stiffened it up, and I can actually throw it quite hard. I think it'd go right outdoors as well. Thanks for watching. If you want more information, check down below in the video description. If you like this video, you might like this one up here. And if you want to subscribe, you can check out my channel over here. Up here is my latest video on my channel, and down here is a video playlist associated with the video you've just watched. Thanks again for watching.